Harwakataano Olw'Essande ehwire ekitongole ky'ebyamagara omu nsi yoona kikarangiirira okubaruka kwa Ebola omu ihanga lya Democratic Republic of Congo. Okwiha ogwo abantu bakurenga 8 nibagambwa kuba baisirwe endwara egi omu ihanga lya Congo n'obu ihanga lya Congo rirabeera rikubi oha burwaire obu Uganda ekiri gye n'obu harabe hariho obujoramiisho okwetantara oburwaire obu butajanjara kuza omu Uganda. Okurugiirira Dr. Diana Atwine Permanent Secretary wa Ministry y'ebyamagara nagira ngu Uganda tekiine mulwaire weena wa Ebola wanyuma y'obwire oyine oburwaire obu kukira.
As I talk now, we don't have Ebola in the country. The one who've been taking care is improving and has tested negative, and soon, once she gains strength, we will be able to discharge her. So our aim, our objective of all these measures is to interrupt the transmission, especially the high-risk districts at the border.
Okurugiirira Dr. Atwine obwa hati gavumenti etiireho emiringo y'okwerinda Ebola erimu okumanyisa abantu oku bakubaasa kwerinda okwetantara oburwaire obu.
Government is going to intensify mask risk awareness and sensitization on infection prevention and control, and observation of the mass gathering SOPs issued by the Ministry of Health for the entire country. This we are going to be using radios, TV, social media, and all institutions that are at our disposal, like cultural institutions, religious institutions, and all local government structures.
Dr. Atwine nagira ngu gavumenti neeza kutamaana omu kukyebera hamwe n'okureebuuza abantu okukira munonga omu myanya erikwatana na Congo.
But we are going to double the screening, testing, and also we are going to enhance treatment capacities along the DRC borderline, and we are going to continue carry out the risk assessment, and based on that we will establish additional testing center.
Obwa hati gavumenti erigireyo yateekayo emihigo etari emwe n'emwe omu districts 21 eziri aha nsharo ya Congo hamwe n'ezo ezirikutayaayisa empungi. Obu niwe gavumenti eragiire kwemereza eby'entambura byona hagati ya Uganda hamwe na Congo okurabira omu maizi aha nguuto hamwe n'omwanya.
We are temporarily suspending the public passenger services on ferries, on Semliki River, the cross-border bus transport, and all public transport between DRC and Uganda for 4 weeks. But this, with the exception of goods and food and any other cargo. The one we categorized as high-risk districts, especially along Uganda-DRC border, not forgetting Kampala metropolitan area. We are suspending all flights to and from DRC to Uganda, and this takes effect within 48 hours. We are going to enhance border security patrols along the porous borders to minimize unnecessary cross-border movements.
Obutare buri mu districts eziri aha nsharo hamwe n'ihanga lya Congo nabwo bwemerezibwe okukingira oburwaire kuruga muri Congo kuza mu Uganda.
We have suspended all weekly markets in the border sub-counties of the high-risk districts for the next 40 weeks as we continue to assess the risk of Ebola transmission in our neighborhood.
Nkoko obu buri obwire bwo kuhumuruka ahabwa Amashomero, Dr. Atwine nagira ngu gavumenti terayemereza okwigura kw'amashomero kurekaneza kukora n'amashomero kurebuka ngu amashomero gaguma gari kurungi.
We know that schools are going to open and we shall open on time. The school opening will not postpone, but we advise the head teachers and the Ministry of Education to ensure that all the SOPs we have issued are followed to the dot.
Izoba lya nyumwazyo omwebembezi w'ihanga His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ayorekire ngu Uganda eyina obukugu oburukwetaagizibwa kurwanisa endwara ya Ebola nahabwekyo abantu tebahikire kweraliikirira.
Anybody with a fever, don't travel. Stay in your location and report to the health authorities. Then at the border, we check the temperatures in the bus, in the cars, we check the temperatures. And then we guide everybody, even when you're already here, if you get sick, you report immediately to the health center. We shall control it. Otherwise, this is really very easy to deal with. It's not a big problem. And we have always dealt with it very easily. It's very easy to deal with.